Hi guys, welcome to Zendrake's World, and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And also don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright, so today is February 6. So this morning, nag-release na ng bagong Happy Meal toys ang McDonald's Philippines. So, as a back-to-back release, kahapon yung 12 Zodiacs, and today, nag-release na ng bagong Happy Meal, which is Crayon Shin-Chan. Okay, so nagpunta tayo dun sa, punta tayo dito sa may McDonald's, dito sa may Putatan, yung bagong tayo dito sa Putatan, along the National Highway. Okay, yung dati kasing pinupuntahan ko dun sa may munisipyo, kulang sila ng toys. And kaya pumunta ako dito sa, malapit lang din naman to sa amin. So, ayun. And, yun nga, pumunta ako dun sa kiosk. And surprisingly, nakita ko, I found out na yung Happy Meal is pwede kang mag-add ng 168 pesos para makuha mo yung Zodiac. So, imagine ang panghinayang ko dahil ang dami, walong toys nung nirelease ng McDonald's for the Happy Meal. Kahapon, I specifically asked the crew and the manager kung pwede kong i-partner ang Happy Meal doon sa 12 Zodiacs, pero they said no. Kaya yan, laking panghihinayang ka. Pero anyway, that's all done. Wala na akong magagawa doon. Hindi na marirefund yun. Nakain na rin namin yung pagkain. Napamigay na yung mga pagkain. And ito na nga, habang nag-aantay doon sa order ko is sagot muna ako dito sa tray na pinamimigay nila yung paper doon sa tray na parang placemat. Ayan, merong maze yun. May maze, tapos sinagot ako yung player 1 and player 2 separately. So this is for how to reach the fries, the golden fries. And yun nga, nung dumating na ang order natin, wala nga natin tong 8 toys and 8 burger ang in-order natin for this. So inabot lang siya ng mga 840 something. And also the drinks. So pinagsalin na naman natin siya sa pichel para madali siyang bitbitin since commuters ang peg ko ngayon. Commute. Wala naman din ako sasakyan, so commute lang ako. Ayoko na ng delivery kasi bukod sa may delivery charge, pero marami pang abala. Minsan masu-surprise ka, wala pala yung item, hindi available yung isang item. Gaya ngayon, buti nga nagpunta ako kasi kung pinadeliver ko yun, for sure malaking sakit sa ulo na naman yun. And also minsan mali yung order, mali yung item, double yung item. So, yun yung ko, kaya nagko-commute na lang ako papunta para hindi na ako maabala ng husto. Alright, and without further ado, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so ito nga, ang toy number 1. So, we have the, this is the box for toy number 1, Crayon Shin-Chan. And ito si Action Kamen to, itong character na to. This is si Shin-Chan. Nakasuot siya ng uniform ng McDo crew, and this is the instructions for the toys and how to assemble the toy. And sa likod makikita mo yung details, and the name of the toy is Super Slider. Okay, so buksan na natin siya. So kasi laki niya yung box para dun sa yung Sonic, yun yung kasing laki niya. Ayan, so buksan natin. So as usual, nakabalot na naman sila. Ayan, teka. Oops, balot na balot Okay. So ito, part na ganito. It's the first part. This one. Ito yung parang platform. And this one, yung black. Ano ba to? Oh, parang tray, no? Okay, and this one, the last one is Shin-Chan. Alright, so ano na nga natin, i-assemble natin kung anong itsura niya. So, last time nakita ko yung Chinese na ganito, yung Chinese Happy Meal. I attempted to buy, pero nagbago isip ko mga last minute. Okay, so ito, as you can see there, so itong tray at si Shin-chan ang magkasama. Ayan, magkasama sila. Yeah, hindi ka siya. Okay. And there we go. Nandito naman si Action Kamen. Okay, so paano daw siya? Slider, ganun. There's an arrow kasi dito sa slider. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Okay. Ganun lang pala siya. Okay, so ganyan siya. Alright. So, okay na. Ganyan lang siya. Alright, so that is toy number 1. Okay, so you will move on to toy number 2. Okay, so we have your toy number 2. Okay, so it's in a yellow box. Same design, ibang color, iba yung itsura, and iba yung instructions for assembly. And the name of this toy is Happy Meal Box Surprise. Alright, so let's open the box. Okay, so yan daw maging itsura niya. Napakita na nila kayo kung maging itsura nito. Okay. Eh, parang lagi diba nakaprint naman yung sa harap. Okay. Anyway, yan. O, ito na si Shin-chan. Okay. Balik natin. Okay. This is toy number 2. Pwede niya kapalitan yung Happy Meal box sa likod. Oh. Yes. Ang galing, no? It's toy number 2. And just pull it up. Yun nga, gaya dito. Pull up lang. Ayan, pull up lang. Tapos ginagano. Yan na. Hindi, Happy Meal box na siya. And then, push it down. Ayan, ganyan na siya. Happy Meal surprise. Yes! It's Shin-chan. Okay. Kailangan natin ulit. And on. And there we go. Okay. So that is toy number 2. Okay, let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so we have toy number 3. Okay, so toy number 3 is pop-up passenger on bike. Alright, so ganito maging itsura niya. Ito ang kanyang instructions kung paano laruin. Okay, so open the box. Oh, there's the mahiwagang stickers again. Look. So, dun yan lalagay sa gulong. Okay, gulong. And the windshield. Okay, pero dyan na yan. Slowly. I don't wanna use the stickers to preserve the item and the sticker itself. Okay. Alright, so this is the toy number 3. Yung ano ba to? Pop-up passenger on bike. KC Action Kamen naman. And this is Shin-chan. Katago siya. Itong si Shin-chan ay malokong bata. Ano ba to? Okay. Yun nga, nangyayaan lang. Akala ko ito yung umaatras tapos dumidiretso na mag-isa. Yan, ganyan lang siya. There you go. So that is toy number 3. So let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so this is toy number 4. Okay, ito yung MacD restaurant cards. Alright. MacDo. Dito sa Philippines, MacDo. Sa ibang bansa, Indonesia, MacD. Indonesia ba yun? Parang MacD. Ito, MacD. Okay, meron na naman siyang sticker dito sa banda dito. So, you stick it here. So, area na yan. Yan, parang yung McDonald's restaurant. Oh! Okay. Now I go here with it. Okay. Okay. McDonald's cards. Okay, so pinakita ko sa inyo. Binuksan ko siya. Saan ko siya dito? Bago ang lahat. Saka muna in the McDonald's. You're pushing me. Pushing me to do this. Pero ganyan siya pag dinikit mo. And this is the other side. Ano ba didikit tong other side? I'm not so sure. O, dito ba? Yeah, this is sa harap. So, ito dito. Ito dito. And the others here. Katapat sila. But I don't wanna do it. Okay. Alright, done lang ang stickers. No, I will not give in to the temptation na gamitin ang stickers. I've done it several times and it always destroys itself later on. Okay, so this is the Shin-chan cards. Oh. So ano naman to? Ito yung mga classmates nyo. I just don't know the names. Kasi Tagalog yung names dito. Yeah, Tagalog yung names na ginamit na dito. Yung teacher nila, naalala ko si Teacher Pilar. Yung mom niya is si Carmen. Ayan, Shin-chan. I'm sure iba ang pangalan nila sa Japanese. Okay, but that's the cards. Then you put it here. Yun lang. So, anong point? Okay. This is how you play the pares-pares. Hindi ko. Okay, kasi ganyan. Oh, pares sila. Pair. Pair. Another pair. Another pair. Pair. Another pair. Another pair. Okay. Another, yan, a pair. Pair. Pair sila. Pair. Yan. Okay, gets. Ayun na, pag pair. So, 0. Ay, yung circle is tama. Yung kapag ganun is X. Ibig sabihin, not good. Okay, so there you go. This is toy number 3. Number 4. It's toy number 4. Alright, so let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so this is toy number 5. It's in a light blue box, and this is the Dream Spinner. Okay, so let's see what's inside. How it looks like. Okay, let's natin sa balot. Put the balot here. Yeah. 5. This is it. So what is the, yan siya. So parang meron siya dito. Nakasi natin yung instructions, diba? Oh, okay, so it changes when you spin it. There. Okay, hindi na maabra. Hindi, ayaw niya. Anong gagawin natin? Ayan, pamunta doon. Ayun, naikot din. Apple slices. Apple slices. Wala tayo yan dito sa Philippines. Apple juice lang ang meron tayo dito. Okay. Kasi hindi tatagal ang apple dito. Kasi hindi tayo nakakapagpatubo ng apple dito. Madiwasa. This is a tropical country. Alright. So, yan lang siya. Ganyan siya kasimple. This is toy number 5. Alright, let's move on to... Okay, so it's toy number 5. So let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so this is toy number 7. The transforming restaurant. Okay, so ito siya. Wow. Mukhang okay naman siya. Let's see. See how it works. Alright, there you go. Yan. Kailangan mo na gumamit ng stickers. Dalawang set of stickers to. Okay. Oh no. I'm so sorry guys. I'm not able to show you how they work with the stickers. I refuse to use it. Okay, let's put it there. Alright, so that's number 7. Number 6. This is toy number 6. Okay. So it's a transforming restaurant. So ganyan siya yung magiging itsura niya ng restaurant. This is siya kapag ginamit mo yung stickers. How does it transform? Okay. Yan. There you go. Then this one. Put it there. Then you have it. The transforming restaurant. Ayos, diba? Okay naman siya kasi wala yung sticker. Yan. There you go. Okay, so that's toy number 6. Ito ka, hindi masyado makita dahil because you're red. Okay, so that is toy number 6. Okay, so let's move on to the next toy. Alright, so we have here toy number 7. This is the stacking Dodge ring. Okay, there you go. Alright, so easy as that. Okay, ito yung itsura. Ito yung itsura pala. This is the instructions. Stacking Dodge ring. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's open it. Alright, so there's the ring. Okay, there's the ring. This one is... what is this? Okay. Wow. Haba, ha? Okay. Okay, stacking. So after mo i-stack, ano mangyayari? And then the ring, how do you put the ring? Oh, there you go. Ganun na siya. Okay. So that is toy number 7. Alright, so yun lang siya. Okay, so I'll give you the... Ayan siya. Yung robot kanina, and then si Shin-chan. Then ito naman si... Ayan, si Action. Action Kamen. Ito. Ayan. Honestly, when I was like 14, na-release to sa Philippines. Okay, yeah. Alright, so that is toy number 7, okay? Let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so this is toy number 8, the last and final toy. And this is what you call the Shin-chan Kantam Robo Hoopla. Okay. Ganyan daw siya. What is that? Paano yun? I don't get it. Let's try. It's better to try. Okay, so meron ditong red na laman. Merong red na frame. Ito parang platform. And this one is toy itself. Okay, so what is the goal here? What is that? Oh, this is... Okay. What can we achieve here? Okay. Paano? Pumasok sila doon and then what do we do? So dito tusok na nga lang natin siya sa platform. I have no idea what we're doing for the last time. Okay, gaya na natin yung post nila dito sa ayan. Okay, so this is toy number 8. So I don't know kung para saan to. Anong trip nila? Ano to? Asero? Ano to? Wonders what is... okay. You throw it and then you shoot. Okay, sige. You throw and you shoot. Parang ganito yung toss ring. Toss. Oh, na-shoot na Shin-chan. Toss mo. Si Shin-chan ulit. Dapat ba matos mo yung robot? Yung Shin-chan pa rin talaga. Oh. Okay. Oh, sige na. Sige. Last na. Oh, okay. One more. Oh, diba? Huli natin yung robot. That's it. Okay, that is toy number 8. Okay, so let's see them all together. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So yun na nga yung isang buong set ng Crayon Shin-chan Happy Meal toys. Okay, so again, ito yung Super Slider. And this is the Happy Meal box surprise. This is the pop-up passenger on bike. And this is the McD restaurant cards. This one is the Dream Spinner. Then the Transforming Restaurant. Then the Stacking Dodge Ring. And this one is the Shin-chan Robo Hoopla. Okay, so there you go. That's all 8 toys for this month of February for McDonald's Philippines. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and also share the video. Also leave a comment below. So I have a question. You can just leave a comment. So what is your favorite among the 8 toys na in-unbox natin? So ano sa tingin nyo ang magandang laruin dito sa mga to? So if you can just tell us in the comments what you think and kung gaano kayo nag-enjoy sa ating unboxing video. Okay, and yun lang, guys. So I hope to see you soon again. So next month ulit kita tayo, and thank you so much for watching our unboxing video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga updated ka sa ating mga next contents and unboxing videos. And also don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. See you all soon. Bye bye.